Welcome back to the channel, everyone. You are watching at Carog 765, the place where classic automotive history meets pure passion. If you love legendary cars, rare models, and the hidden gems of the automotive world, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications, because every video we upload brings you closer to the golden age of automobiles. Today, we are diving into a true American classic that still turns heads even after more than 60 years, the 1959 Buick LeSabre. The 1959 Buick LeSabre wasn't just a car, it was a statement of style, confidence, and futuristic imagination. When it rolled onto American roads, people couldn't help but stare at its wide, low body and dramatic curves. This was a time when designers weren't afraid to experiment, and the LeSabre captured that spirit perfectly. Its most iconic feature was its giant rear fins angled upward like wings, making the car look as if it was ready to take off. Even parked, it felt alive. Under the hood, the 1959 Buick LeSabre carried the powerful 364 cubic inch V8 engine known as the Wildcat 364. It delivered strong performance for its time, offering smooth acceleration and plenty of highway power. Drivers loved the effortless ride, thanks to Buick's Dynaflow automatic transmission, which made shifting almost unnoticeable. This was a car built for long American roads, floating along with comfort, class, and confidence. Inside, the LeSabre was equally impressive. The spacious cabin featured wide bench seats that invited you to relax, a dashboard styled like a jet cockpit, and chrome details that added a luxury touch. Buick always focused on comfort, and the 1959 LeSabre lived up to that promise. Families loved it because it felt like sitting in a moving living room, while classic car lovers today admire its craftsmanship and timeless charm. One of the most memorable things about the 1959 LeSabre is how strongly it represents the late 1950s era. It carries the spirit of optimism, the dream of a bright future, and the excitement of that classic American lifestyle. Cars from this era were not just transportation, they were rolling art pieces, and the LeSabre is one of the finest examples. When you see one at a car show today, people gather around it instantly. The design, the size, the chrome, the presence, everything works together in perfect harmony. Even today, collectors search for the 1959 Buick LeSabre because it has become a symbol of rare beauty. It wasn't produced in massive numbers, and surviving models are treasured. Restoring one is like preserving a piece of American history. The sound of its V8, the feel of its steering, the ride quality, and the unmatched style all remind us of a time when cars were built with heart and imagination. If you ever get the chance to see a 1959 LeSabre in person, take your time and appreciate the details. The sweeping lines, the front grille that stretches across the entire width of the car, and the two-tone paint options all highlight how special this model really is. It is more than just a classic car, it is a masterpiece of automotive design. Thank you for watching this video on the iconic 1959 Buick LeSabre. If you enjoyed this content and love classic cars as much as we do, then don't forget to subscribe to Carog 765 for more amazing stories, rare models, and timeless legends. Your support helps us bring these classics back to life on your screen. See you in the next video.